If buying a home is one of your New Year's resolutions for 2026, then this video series is going to set you up perfectly. I wanted to do something special for the month of December and really close out the year. So what I'm going to be doing is walking through the entire home buying process from start to finish. By the time January 1st rolls around, you will already have the knowledge and the confidence needed to get the process moving. If you don't know me, my name is Steve Lopresti. I'm a real estate agent in Hamilton, Ontario, and I work with a lot of first-time homebuyers. I genuinely love what I do. It's a great feeling to help somebody buy their first home that they're going to be building a lot of memories in, starting a family in, and growing in over the next several years. That's the reason why I do what I do. And even though I'm based in Hamilton, this video series is going to apply to anywhere in Ontario. So if you have questions at any point, whether that's about Hamilton's market specifically or anywhere in Ontario, you can always feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you. This series is going to be based on my first time homebuyer survival guide, which a lot of people have downloaded and told me that they've enjoyed, and also that they found it really helpful. And because of that, I wanted to take it one step further and create this series where I'm going to be breaking down each section of the guide in more detail, but in an easy to consume video format. Most of my usual videos just kind of jump from topic to topic, so I wanted to create a one-stop shop where you could see the entire process broken down in detail from start to finish in a binge-worthy format that has a logical flow to it. And if you want, you can always download the guide at any point. It's completely free. If you just want something that's easy to refer back to, you can get the PDF. The link will be down in the description of each video. So everything in this series is going to be coming from real experience that I've had working with real clients to buy their first home. This is stuff that I've learned boots on the ground, navigating the real estate market, working with clients and helping them achieve their real estate goals and helping them to be actually happy with their purchase at the end of the day, both financially and emotionally. So this series is an accumulation of everything I've learned over the last 4 years of being a licensed real estate agent. Buying a home has a lot of moving parts to it. You have your down payments, you have your mortgages, you have bidding wars, you have your lawyer's fees, you have moving costs. What else is there? I can't even remember anymore. This is why I need to have the guide in front of me. It can be stressful and there's a lot to know, and it can be very, very overwhelming if you don't have a clear process to follow. This series is here to take away a lot of that confusion. I will walk you through how to prepare, what to expect at every stage of the process, and how to avoid the mistakes that a lot of buyers before you have made. Even if your move is several months or even several years out, this will still help you to understand what to expect so that you know how to prepare yourself so that when you are ready, you can hit the ground running. I'm basically going to be talking to you the same way I talk to my first time buyer clients to make sure that they're prepared for their purchase and that they know exactly what they're doing and that they can get the best outcome possible. Now, this particular video is just a quick one to introduce the series so that you know what to expect. I'm going to be posting one video in this series every day for the entire month of December, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit that bell notification button so that you don't miss any of them. One video a day is going to give me the time I need to go more in depth into each step of the process to make sure that nothing gets missed. Now, because of this, there's going to be some information heavy segments, so if you have any questions at any point during this process, which you inevitably will, you can feel free to drop it in the comment section. There's no such thing as a stupid question. And if you're having a question, then chances are somebody else is going to have the same one. Or if you prefer to talk privately, you can always reach out to me. My contact info will be in the description of each video. All right, I'm very excited to get started. This should be a good one, and hopefully this series helps a lot of you achieve your real estate goals in 2026. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.